Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. My name is Muhammad Umar. I'm your English instructor. Welcome to my class. Here's the bridging. I hope you have solved it, and here's the answer of that bridging. Let's start our lecture. Let's see what B-lift we have. Today we have B-lift number 27, which is related to writing. Write a simple descriptive composition giving physical description and character traits of a person, object, or a place. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about the description of a person. Then write the final draft after completing editing and proofreading. We have descriptive writing. What is a descriptive writing? It is like painting without words. How to write a brilliant biography? Let's see what we have. Imagine painting a masterpiece without using a single drop of paint. In this, we have to use words. The writers are the artists, but their tools are different. They use, instead of brushes and paint, they use words and sentences to convey their message. Today, we are going to learn how to draw a person using only a pen. Descriptive writing helps paint a picture with words. It helps the reader to easily imagine what is being described. You can describe a person, place, or a thing. The goal is to make the reader see exactly what you see in your mind. Start with a sketch like object. Zoom in to add the small interesting details, general details. The man wore a hat. Specific detail, the man wore a battered dark green woolen cap pulled low over his eyes. In this writing, you have to write those words which create images in the reader's mind. Let's see a biographical essay. A biographical essay describes a person's physical appearance and characteristics. It tells a true story of someone's life. You can write a biography about famous historical figures or someone you know. Every great biography needs 7 special colors on the petal. Let's see what those colors are. The first color is date of birth and birthplace. The second is reveal their current location or residence, where they live. Where does your subject live right now? This helps the reader picture their daily life. Example, today she lives in a converted lighthouse on the rocky coast or Cornwall. And if the personality is dead, then you have to write their residence or their living area in the past. The third color is telling about their educational background. Where did they go to school or university? What subject they study to become who they are. Example, Amelia studied marine biology at Oxford, spending hours reading books about the deep ocean. The fourth tool or fourth color is their professional experience. What job they did, how they spent their working years. Example, she spent 10 years working as a submarine pilot before becoming the lead ocean researcher for the Royal Navy. The fifth color or fifth tool is show their areas of expertise. What is the one thing they know more about than anyone? Think of this as their real life superpower. Example, Professor Bramble is a world expert in the behavior of giant squid. The sixth tool or sixth color is their physical features. What does the person actually look like? Remember to move from general to specific. Interesting, you have to add interesting details. Example, she is tall and always wear thick brass swimming goggles over her bright green eyes with salty gray hair tied in the messy. The final thing which you have to done is write about their major achievement. What are their biggest wins? Why will people remember them? Example, we have in 2021 she won a gold medal for discovering a brand new species of glowing jellyfish. The seventh tool is complete word portrait. By putting all 7 details together, we have built a fantastic biographical paragraph. We move from general fact, her date of birth or his date of birth, to specific details, her achievements, how she looked. The reader can now perfectly imagine Professor Amelia Bramble. Now it's your turn to pick up the pen and write a descriptive essay on this personality, which we have Allama Muhammad Iqbal. Here's your formative check. Solve it in your class, in your practice book. You have to follow the same things which you have learned in this PPT, in this lecture. And here's a homework which you have to solve in your home. Okay, bacho, I hope this lecture will be helpful for you, and you will write a descriptive essay on these personalities. Allah Hafiz.